Are you tired of scouring the internet, jumping from one online opportunity to another, only to find yourself at the same spot you started? As we approach 2026, it's crucial to focus on a niche that not only promises profitability, but also aligns with the emerging trends in technology and consumer behavior. Today, we're going to explore the most promising make-money online niche for 2026, offering insights and examples that can set you on a path to success. Picture this: a digital world that thrives on remote interactions, where artificial intelligence and human creativity walk hand in hand. The lines between workspaces and leisure places are increasingly blurred. This isn't science fiction. It's our near future, and at the forefront of this evolution is the creator economy. More specifically, the personalized AI as a service niche is poised to dominate. Personalized AI as a service isn't just a buzzword. It's the blending of AI technology to tailor experiences, services, and even goods to individual preferences. As technology becomes more accessible, there's a growing demand for solutions that cater directly to personal needs. Think voice assistants that remember your schedule, AI tutors that adapt to your child's learning style, or even personalized wellness apps that adjust fitness regimes based on your lifestyle and health data. The opportunities here are vast. Consider Emma, a digital entrepreneur who turned her passion for personalized skincare into a flourishing business. By utilizing AI technology, she developed an app that customizes skincare routines based on real-time skin assessments and environmental factors. Her clients receive recommendations and products tailored to their ever-changing needs, resulting in a loyal customer base and steady revenue. Emma's success is a beacon for those who wish to harness the power of personalized AI for financial gain. Now you might wonder, what makes this niche particularly lucrative for 2026? As consumers become more digitally savvy, their expectations for personalized experiences grow. Companies and individuals who offer customized solutions will naturally attract a wider audience looking for relatability and convenience. This trend is coupled with continuous advancements in artificial intelligence, making it more efficient and accessible for small businesses and individual creators to employ. Another compelling example is Alex, a virtual fitness coach who combines AI algorithms with human expertise. His platform tailors workout programs that adapt in real time, monitoring clients' progress and preferences. By understanding each client's unique goals and obstacles, Alex creates a service that feels personal and effective. His AI-powered system not only sets him apart from traditional methods, but also provides a scalable model that manages to operate globally from his laptop. The barriers to entry in this niche are surprisingly lower than one might think. With numerous AI tools and platforms available, even those without a technological background can create a personalized experience. However, the edge lies in creativity and understanding the target audience deeply. Success in this arena will require not just knowledge of AI, but an authentic connection with the community you aim to serve. To embark on this journey, start by identifying your passion and how it intersects with AI potential. Study the latest trends and tools available in AI, delve into understanding consumer behavior, and most importantly, remain adaptable to changes. The personalized AI as a service niche is dynamic and ever-evolving, requiring an agile approach to stay ahead. In conclusion, if you're determined to stop wasting time on fleeting online fads, look no further than the personalized AI as a service niche. Not only does it promise profitability, but it also offers a sustainable model for those ready to blend technology with human touch. As we move into 2026, those who embrace this intersection of personalization and automation will find themselves not just surviving, but thriving in the digital economy. Embark on this path with an open mind and a willingness to learn. The future of online income isn't just about making money, it's about creating meaningful, personalized connections in a digital landscape, one interaction at a time. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.